Good afternoon, sir. I'm Crystal Rogili Bao, BSIT2I. Now I'm going to present my laboratory activity 1 about how to download, install, set up, and run a code using Eclipse IDE for Java development. First is click the search and click the system. Then look for Advanced System Settings. Then click the Environment Variables. Then look for System Variables. Then click the New. Then maglagay ng variable name. Then variable value. May nalagay na kasi akong variable and value, sir, kaya ito po yung Java_home. Then click the path and then click the edit. Then click the new. May nalagay na po ako, which is ito po yung Java_home. Then click the OK. And now proceed to Eclipse download and then click the edge. The Eclipse downloader. And then click the Eclipse downloads, the Eclipse Foundation. After that, click the download. Click the download x86_64. After this, click ulit yung download. Then after clicking the download, may magpapakita sa taas na downloading, then hintayin lang matapos yon. Pero sa akin, I already download this software, so I just cancel it na lang. After this, go to folder and go to downloads. And search for Eclipse, then click it. Then wait mo siyang mag-open. After niya mag-open, mapupunta ka sa Eclipse installer. Then click the first option, which is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Then click the install. Hindi ko na in-install kasi I already install it. After install, punta ka na sa mismong app. Na-open na yung software, ganito yung magpapakita. Para makagawa ng Java project, just click Alt-Ctrl-N, then may magpapakita na maraming option, which is ang pipiliin mo ay Java project. After clicking Java project, you will enter Java project name. Then after entering project name, click Finish. Again, Alt Control and choose class. Then after that, click public static void main string. Then click the Finish. So here in the left side, we can see the project file I create, which is Libao sample. Then the class, which is Crystal. Then go to the blank sheet to code. Just run it by clicking the first green button. Then it will print the hello world, and that's it. Thank you.